Hello, everyone. I'm Emily. Welcome back to MR English Hub, the place where we make English simple, smart, and fun. Today's lesson is all about the most common English mistakes and how to stop making them for good. So grab a notebook and let's get started. We'll cover 5 major areas where learners often go wrong: grammar mistakes, preposition confusion, vocabulary, misuse, pronunciation, problems, politeness, and natural speech errors. Part 1. Grammar mistakes. Let's start with grammar, the foundation of any language. Number 1 mistake: subject-verb agreement. Many learners say, "He goes to school every day." But that's incorrect. The correct sentence is, "He goes to school every day." The verb changes to goes when the subject is he, she, or it. Right. So, I go, you go, he, she, it goes. Here's a quick practice. Repeat after us. She goes to work early, he plays football. It rains a lot here. Great. Now, mistake number 2, using am is are with verbs incorrectly. For example, I am play football. That's wrong. The correct sentence is, I play football. You don't use am is are with normal verbs in the simple present tense. You say, I am playing football only when the action is happening right now. Perfect. Always remember, I play, habit, I am playing, right now. Part 2, preposition confusion. Prepositions, those tiny words that cause big headaches. Yes. Let's fix some of the most common ones. Mistake 1, I am good in English. Wrong. Correct. I am good at English. Use good at for skills or subjects. Example, I'm good at cooking. She's good at dancing. Mistake 2, I will meet you on Monday. Wrong again. Correct. I will meet you on Monday. Remember, on days. On Monday, on Friday. In months or years. In June, in 2025. At time, at 6 p.m. Let's practice. I'll see you on Friday. My birthday is in May. Let's meet at 8 o'clock. Excellent. Prepositions can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get them right every time. Part 3. Vocabulary. Misuse. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Using the right words in the right context. Common mistake number 1. I am boring. That sounds like you're telling everyone you're not fun. Exactly. Say, I am bored. It means you feel bored. I am boring means you make others bored. So remember, -ed equals how you feel. Ing equals what causes the feeling. Another common one, I am agree. Wrong. Correct. I agree. The verb agree doesn't need am/is/are. And this one, I didn't knew that. Nope. I didn't know that after didn't always use the base form of the verb. One more. I am here since 2 hours. Wrong. I have been here for 2 hours. We use have been +4 or since to show how long something has continued. Let's repeat it together. I have been here for 2 hours. I have lived in Delhi since 2018. Nice job. Part 4. Pronunciation mistakes. Now let's fix some pronunciation problems that confuse listeners. For example, many learners say vegetable as vegetable with 4 syllables, but it's actually pronounced vegetable, just 3 syllables. Another one, comfortable. People often say comfortable, but we say comfortable, only 3 sounds. And what about Wednesday? Good one. We don't say Wednesday. We say Wednesday. You short and quick. Great. Here's a short list to practice. Restaurant /restaurant/ not restaurant. Chocolate /choklit clothes /khz silent T. Pronunciation can really change your confidence when speaking English. Yes. Record yourself, repeat, and listen carefully. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound. Part 5. Politeness and natural speech. English is not just grammar, it's also tone and culture. Exactly. Sometimes learners sound rude, not because they mean to, but because they use direct language. For example, saying, "Give me water," sounds rude. Instead, say, "Check mark. Could you give me some water, please?" Check mark. Can I have some water, please? Another one. What? When you don't understand, try sorry or could you repeat that, please? Much softer and polite. And don't forget greetings. Instead of who are you? To a stranger, say nice to meet you. Yes, English communication is about being polite and friendly, not just correct. Cultural tip. In many English-speaking countries, people often say thank you and sorry more often than in other languages. That's true. So if someone holds the door open for you, say thank you. It's small but powerful. It makes your English sound natural and your personality shine. Mini review. Quiz, 1230 to 1400. Okay, time for a quick quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1, which one is correct? A, I am agree. B, I agree. Pause. The answer is B, I agree. Good. Next one. Choose the right preposition. I'll see you. Monday. Answer, on Monday. Great. Next one, which is correct? A, I have been here since 2 hours. B, I have been here for 2 hours. Correct answer. B for 2 hours. Excellent, everyone. You're definitely improving your English with MR English Hub. Wrap up and call to action. Today, we learned how to stop making the most common English mistakes in grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and politeness. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes, but it's important to learn from them. Exactly. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll sound more natural every day. Now tell us in the comments, which English mistake do you often make? We'd love to read your answers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more English fun on Mr. English Hub, thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. And until then, keep learning and keep smiling.